role model method is the therapeutic self-application of 4 different size grippy pliable balls. Because the therapy balls have so many different sizes, they're able to create a dialogue with different parts of your body that other tools might overlook, hurt, or ignore.
They just had the right consistency. They had the grippiness that you could really apply into the tissues and create some nice shear and change.
When I started practicing the role model method, I realized I don't have to pay a massage therapist to feel better, that I can do it at home in about 5 minutes.
It gives you a toolbox to basically know how to fix yourself.
It's just really nice that if you have something bothering you, your neck's bothering you that day, and it's distracting you, just take 3 minutes to just ease that up, ease that pain up, and then you can carry on.
You can actually feel your anatomy. You feel the issues in your tissues.
It really sharpens that mind-body connection.
It is a complete body map of yourself to understand yourself through the use of therapeutic touch. It is life-changing.